Make a great choice today with the 2018 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.